to come to like a Gol Chakkar and then you have to go right. We could have come from outside and come to that same point.
So we were setting that. I've got my navigation on.
Okay. Now
You
I
go
can
to.
get out.
What the fuck is this?
Digging हो रही है ना? You can adjust it when you do this, okay?
वो हैमबर्गर रहेगा सेटिंग्स में चलेगा.
Okay, you're clear. Keep right now after the bike is close.
Go on settings. It will tell you various options. What to include, not to include.
Add stop, set depart, share direction, share your location, add route to home screen, route options. Avoid motorways, avoid toll roads, avoid ferries. What do we do?
क्या टिक मार्क है तुम्हारे?
None. All three are open.
What is it saying? Avoid?
Toll roads, avoid
No.
ferries,
No.
avoid motorways. No.
Next we go.
Okay, let's go back.
I have to go back like that.
Just round the circle and right.
I've got my navigation on.
Okay. Settings में map history, linked accounts, notification, distance unit, slide show schema map, navigation settings. यही होगा ना?
Text करो.
I have put navigation settings normal, route options, same avoid motorways, avoid tolls, avoid ferries. ये
No,
तो
leave
नहीं
it.
है ना?
Leave it. What is this, man? What is this on my right?
सोनी जी की नसिया. You got your options. You know which way to go. Literally driving through Ajmer.
Got your own?
Yeah. You have to take the slightly diagonal straight road, not the either left or right at the next spot. On this red light, you have to go straight. No left or right. Straight actually goes almost that angle.
Ajmer Junction, railway station.
Railway station.
I have to go there.
There.
What is Ajmer known for besides that dargah?
Just for the Dargah. Dargah Sharif.
All the cut pieces reach here.
इधर तो it's a proper dedicated pilgrimage place. You'll see those buses that stand in Delhi at Nizamuddin, they're all heading here.